Well, Father Mbaka is asking for forgiveness. He's asking on behalf of all the clergies, all the pastors, all the reverend fathers, all the men of God. Well, we are going to forgive you people, especially those that told us that Buhari was going to be a messiah to us, that Buhari was God sent, that the people that made Nigeria the way it is now, that the cause of Nigeria's situation, because from Buhari to Tinubu, look at it now. When bad luck, the person you called bad luck, Goodluck Jonathan was there, dollars was less than 500 naira. But now, dollars is about 1,500 times 3. Good luck or bad luck. Anyway, let's take it that way. Just listen to Father Mbaka.
I apologize on behalf of the whole men of God, the whole pastors, the whole priests, the whole bishops. I apologize. I'm not wanting to apologize for bishops, but I'm apologizing. Let the mercy of God descend. Because what we did within this political moment, a lot of indescribable political brouhaha and political jingoism and a lot of atrocities we manifested and buried the power of the sacrament beneath political forces, political hawks and vultures. And they want to vulturize the church. And we turned the church into campaign centers. We turned the church into a place for politicking. We messed up altar. We defiled the altar of the Most High God. How do you want power to move from such altar that have been defiled? We cannot continue with such iniquity. I am angani runa alolo another toa. I mejoro chuku. And I was never kuzni ma deba ge bianca. Eba ka ge simeya. Ebe sere manda se no chuku na wana monso. I thought you putara. I will not to chuku yeze manda. Oh, you went chuku weda pasai. You went chuku kasokoza ga manam na ye bere chuku. I pray that God will forgive us. Forgive us, O Lord. Forgive us, O Lord. Forgive their church. Forgive your church. Forgive Christianity in Nigeria. We have gotten it wrong this time. Amen. Just let it be like this. If you want to misunderstand it, that is your business. I am apologizing to God to have mercy on even you that will talk. Don't you know the sanctity of the altar? In the days of Samuel, when you come out and say, this person will be, the person becomes. Why can the whole church not gather together to prophesy and to come to pass? Don't blame anybody. If you tell me rigging, the power of God can overshadow any rigging. We are not in any war. I am only trying to address the spiritual. Because the spiritual controls the physical. Okay, more chukuna ganjem. One tonto David got to hold Goliath. Nafana Mary, Joseph na Mary na Bethlehem, Kuruma and Apple, get made Herod or Toboronus. Ike de Noka. Come and political. Ya Jadebo Tua. Makana Odea Kana say what the monastery. And you. So, Manam Quanquere Habo, and Cobina Monsa by Remnon and Gilquilta. So, Anna Mambatiaka, Nambarezi, Ebe Hene, man. Macanobo de Leto now.